Get your paper and your pencil and pay close attention to Kade's recipe for today. It's going to be nutritious and good. Kade's making it the Cajun way. Let Kade Cajunize your meal. Let Kade Cajunize your meal. Make time every day to cook with Kade. Let Kade Cajunize your meal.
Welcome back to Cooking with Kade. Today we're going to smoke a pork roast, and for the dipping sauce, we're going to make a serrano pepper and apple jelly sauce. First thing we're going to do is stuff the pork roast with some garlic. Now I'm going to season the pork roast with my seasonal and my smoky seasoning rub. And I'm gonna rub it in real good. I'm gonna go put it on the smoker. We're gonna smoke it with some apple wood for about 2 hours. Are you paying attention? Our roast just got out the smoker. It smoked for about 3 hours. And now we're gonna move on to our sauce, which is good on pork. We're gonna cut up 2 serrano peppers. You can use 1, but I choose to use 2 because I like my stuff spicy. Now we're gonna add in 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna cut a lime in half. And juice it in my juicer. Okay, Chef Paul made this look way easier. Now we're gonna add in 4 tablespoons of apple jelly. You can add more if you like, but I'm gonna add 4 and see how that tastes. Now let's start blending it. Now let's see what it tastes like. I think I could use some more apple jelly. I think it needs 4 more tablespoons. This stuff is still a little spicy, so I'm gonna add in some of the pork roast's juice. Let me give this a try with my apple jelly sauce. Welcome back to Cook with Kade. Today we're gonna smoke a pork roast, and we're gonna. Okay, I got what I'm gonna say now. Welcome back to Cook with Kade. Today we're gonna smoke a pork roast, and for the dipping sauce, we're gonna make my apple jelly and sriracha. Wait, is it sriracha? Serrano.
Action!
Now we're gonna add in 3 cloves of garlic. Oh, holy smokes, Batman! These things are hot.
You still choked up? Is that spicy?
Ugh.
Good thing it wasn't ghost pepper.